Alright, today we are checking out Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2, direct sequel to the first one with Tobe Hooper still doing this. We have the original Arrow Blu-ray, the 4K, and I brought a media book from Turbine Mediabook. Check out. I'm going to slide everything over. We'll start left to right. I think that's the form of releases. I'm not sure if the Arrow 4K came out before the media book. Chop top here. I believe they're, DVD and Blu-ray for this one. And I believe this one's Region B. Yeah, I know a lot of people did not like this one because it went to the comedy side. I still really enjoyed this. I think they did a good job of horror and comedy for this, and to action, and the love affair as well. I was lucky enough to meet Bill Moseley at a HorrorCon as well, and I think I got the Devil's Rejects signed by him. I was between that and this. We're going to skip through these pretty quick just because we have a lot of them. I think they all have booklets. That's a really cool shot. Not Grandma. Yeah, some really cool behind the scenes shots in this. Looking proud as hell there. That's his Tinder profile there. Because he's the best. That's a cool shot. I love that scene on the bridge. It's a great opener. Here's the last one. Little postcards. Oh, these were numbered. I didn't know. I don't know how many though. That's cool. Pressing number. This one's a 3-disc as well. That's actually the back of the media book they gave me, a little poster. I think it's like an 8x9 or something. Put this to the side for now. Alright, we'll do the Arrow 4K release. Same cover art as the inside. Start out with the booklet. With this smug look. I'm glad they're different. I know they're both Arrow releases. I thought they were going to be the same pictures. That's cool. There are different pictures on each one. A couple of them are the same. I like that shot. Chili cook-off. Yeah, the 4K transfer look awesome too. This is just the poster. There's no way I can show this whole thing. Not in the frame, at least. Almost. It's a cool poster. And this actually is just a 2, right? Yeah, this is a 2-disc. Couple cards. I wonder if this one's numbered as well. If somebody wants that, feel free. Leave that up for a sec if you want to scan it. Or there's a promo too if somebody wants that. I try to just do physical media. Oh, nice, we got his recipe. That's cool. Little greetings card. Yeah, I think I like the Blu-ray booklet a little better and the release a little better than the 4K, but obviously the transfer on the 4K is really good. Just leave that there. I'll put it back after. This is the media book. This came on the back of it. I actually want to get this framed. It's a little small one, but obviously I can't read the German on the back. But yeah, I believe Turbine is a German company, but I love their releases. The artwork is super cool. And theirs is always 4K region free. I think most 4Ks are region free. And then the Blu-rays are region B locked. But I do have a region free player. That's a cool shot. I like that. Yeah, their practical effects for the time are insane. That's a really cool shot. I like that. I also think the original Arrow release had more special features. They might have added new ones. I didn't check out the... I rewatched the film. I got to rewatch the behind the scenes again. See if they added anything new. But reading the back of it, I thought the original Blu-ray had more. Very cool. Yeah, I think my favorite was the original Blu-ray from Arrow. That was really cool. I liked a lot of the stuff on the booklet there. But thank you guys for checking out another one. I'll catch you in the next. Peace.